Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to manually add a wireless network in Windows 10. So let's get started. First, you want to head over to your control panel. You can do that by going to the search bar on your PC and typing in control panel. Also, if you noticed, my laptop is actually running Windows 11. But don't worry because this method that I'm showing you is for Windows 10. Anyway, let's continue. Once you're here, you're going to click on Network and Internet. Then you're going to click on Network and Sharing Center. Then set up a new connection or network. Now click on Manually Connect to a wireless network and hit Next. From here, you're going to type in the name of the network first. Once you're done with that, choose the security type. Now, it depends on your network, but usually, if it has a password, it's WPA2 personal. So now you're going to type in the security key or password. And once you're done, all you have to do is hit Next. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.